Okay, so here we are again. This is about Paul Revere's ride. Okay, so it says the paragraph below tells about a special person born in January. Can you find and mark 10 errors in the paragraph? You might look for errors of capitalization, punctuation, spelling, or grammar. Okay, so let's read the first sentence. But Paul Revere was born on January 1, 1735. So think back to our proper noun, person's name, first and last name, Paul Revere. So this should be a capital R. Okay, was born on January 1, 1735. Our comma rules, there should be a comma after the day. He grew up to become a silversmith, comma, but he were best known for his famous ride. It should be was. He was best known for his famous ride. On April 18th, comma, 1775, comma, that's correct. Paul Revere is sent to warn Samuel Adams and John Hancock that the British were coming. He stopped at every house to warn they. Ooh, sounds like a run-on, right? Okay, so Paul Revere is sent to warn. Is present tense. It should be was. Was. Paul Revere was sent to warn Samuel Adams and John Hancock that the British were coming. Period. That's a complete thought, right? He stopped at every house to warn they. Okay, he stopped. Stop is like present tense. It would be stopped, S-T-O-P-P-E-D, at every house to warn they. Should be them. Two other men, William Dawes and Samuel Prescott, also rode horses, but Paul Revere became famous. Okay, so what's wrong here? Horses, H-O-A-R-S-E-S, is like when you have a hoarse throat. So that's spelt wrong. It should be H-O-R-S-E-S. So we're going to get rid of the A. All three men were arrested by the British, but Hancock and Adams were safe. Okay, all three. The number 3 should be spelled out. The rule is anything below 100 should be spelled out unless it's starting the sentence. All three men were arrested by the British. That's a complete sentence, right? Comma. Now we have our conjunction, our fanboy. Okay? That's going to be joining the two independent clauses because Hancock and Adams were safe is another complete sentence. So you have to have your comma and your fanboy.